Talbot here for you. I wanted to give you a quick update for September 30th. I'm just kind of in the middle of our week 4 here. Uh, Sent a post out yesterday. We had a few glitches on some of our earlier assignments in there. Those should all be corrected now, but if you're having any issues with it, please let me know. But that's mainly just making sure you've got your topic 1.2 and 1.3. Should be able to get to the assignments a little bit easier now. That's all in Schoology. For this week, you finished up the topic 1.2 assignment last week, hopefully, and you finished out the discussion board. If you hadn't done that by yesterday morning, you now have a 0 for that assignment, so that's something to be improving upon. By the end of this week, we want to be working on our Confucian and Taoist assignment. As with all of our assignments, there's a video going over the directions and stuff, so please check that out. And please don't forget that you're also taking notes over topic 1.3. When we talk about taking notes, we're also talking about using that time to work on the study guide and to do the check for understanding quiz. Topic 1.3 is pretty short in the notes. That's why it should only take you about 30 good focus minutes to get to that. But we really want to spend a lot of our time working on this Taoist and Confucian assignment. So if you haven't started that yet, that's a great opportunity to be diving in today. As always, please email me if you got any questions. Have a great day.